What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I have a couple cases here from Supcase. I have the Unicorn Beetle Grip MagSafe case, and I also have the Unicorn Beetle Mag XT bumper case. Now, these are not heavy duty like the Unicorn Beetle Pro, but they do have great protection and they are a protective case. Most of the time we're out there with this, and this is slim and trim, very nice looking, but does it protect your phone? That's debatable. Now, this here will protect your phone, and you're gonna see here. We're gonna open up, this one is the UB Grip, or the Unicorn Beetle Grip. And they have some great colors. They have a black, they have this green, they also have a gold, and they have a maroon red color if you wanna check this out. Now, as you can see, this thing provides great protection. You get this kickstand action here. Also acts as a MagSafe. So if you have a MagSafe charger or whatever else, if you have a car mount in your car, then you're able to use this in there, which is a big bonus. Now, we're gonna go ahead and pop this in. And this is a one-piece case, so you'll be able to just snap it in. And it fits real good, and it should work with your screen protectors. I have a screen protector on here. It's a tempered glass, so that you'll be able to use. And as you can see there, you got great protection there for your camera. You got that additional protection there on those two lenses, and then your three lenses there are protected as well. You have some lip there so that if you put your phone down, you're gonna be good to go. Now, as far as the buttons, they are very nice. I love the way they have the color coordination with the back of the case with the buttons, which is a thumbs up. And then they're very easy to push, very soft. Doesn't take a lot of work to use. As far as the S Pen, comes out real easy. You push, you can pop it out, no problems there. You have great protection there for your Type-C, also your speakers. Now, you do get some curved protection here on all four corners, which is ideal if you drop your phone in any scenario. So you're going to be heavily protected. This is a good looking case. Let's try out the kickstand here. So you have different viewing modes. You can have it basically upright. You could have it down a little more if you want to put it this way so that you can watch some Netflix or ESPN, whatever you want to be watching. So as far as MagSafe, you got the green light there, you're good to go. Holds real nice. If you have a stand at work or a car mount, you're going to be good to go. And that one is very nice, very compatible with MagSafe. One piece snap-on case, easy installation. You don't have to worry about the different pieces like the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Now let's try out this Unicorn Beetle Mag XT. I like this color. It is kind of cool. This is a Splatter Camo color, and it has that built-in camera cover that doubles as a kickstand. So if you want to rock your phone like that, you can. We're gonna go ahead and pop this in, and I love the way this feels inside, nice and soft. But I do like this color. I would probably get the black if it were me, or maybe the maroon, I don't know. Let's go ahead and pop this out. Pop this in. This is also a one-piece case, so it's easy to put in there. And then we'll close that. That snaps in there. But as you can see there, you get that. This color is kind of cool. And this comes in 7 colors. You got a black, red, maroon, gray, black, another black. You get the same reinforced corners on the corners there, which is great. Great grip. Oh, that's the other thing on this one. The grip on this is excellent. That's why it's called the Unicorn Beetle Grip. So you're never gonna lose or drop your phone in this, but this also has great grip. Not all the way up. This has a little less grip. I just don't know why they just didn't put the same amount of grip on, but it does have the same grip on this side. This one just has a little more, but basically the same. Your grip's gonna be excellent. Yeah, and it's compatible with MagSafe, so if you have MagSafe in your car, whatever it is gonna be, you're gonna be good to go. And this built-in camera cover, I'm not a fan of this, but some people are. It does double as a kickstand, so you can use that as a kickstand. Do what you gotta do. The only thing, you can't use it as a kickstand for portrait. You can only do it as a horizontal kickstand, basically. I would think. I don't think you can. Yeah, I don't think it just, I guess you could go like that, but yeah, you know what I mean? So those are two excellent cases from Supcase. You got the Unicorn Beetle Grip MagSafe phone case in dark green, or you can get the black, gold, or the maroon red one. And then you have the Unicorn Beetle Mag XT bumper case. It's got the kickstand and the camera cover if you want to check it out.